Okay, hi trading people. Today we're looking at Jumia. And in my opinion, by looking at this, there's a big risk-reward ratio and a big chance that we are probably currently entering, or within the next days and weeks, entering a new wave 3, larger cycle. So we see here at the first, let's say this is the first wave, and we basically massively fell down 100% from the top back to the start. So assuming this was the first wave and this was the second wave here, then now we're probably in a kind of a third wave. And by looking at the last month, all into 24, we see that if we count this as a wave 1 and wave 2, this is basically at the 88 Fibonacci. And maybe we can count this, if this is a top here at the 1, then a running diagonal B, and then a C now, with a kind of ending diagonal here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5. This sometimes doesn't complete down to the lower diagonal leg, so probably we are already here at the start. And if we're looking at the smaller time frame, so this is daily on the left, so probably we are already here in a smaller 1-2 count, but also an ending diagonal. So I think, yeah, there's a big chance that we will now enter kind of a third wave in the smaller time frames, on the smaller waves and in the larger wave counts. Yeah, what's the longer forecast? So assuming this is the first wave, then the third wave would probably extend to the 1.618 Fibonacci, which is around $24. So pretty good risk to reward, if you ask me. So if you set the stop loss probably here, then we would, let's say, have a chance of about 500 to 600% in the first third wave. And then if you're interested in the long term, so if we say this is the first wave and then we extend to the third wave, which is at the 1.6 Fibonacci, around about $110 for the third wave, and then the fifth wave would extend to even $150 within the next few years. So yeah, I'm invested in Jumia at the moment, because I think it's, yeah, even looking at the fundamentals, it's looking pretty good from my opinion. And yeah, maybe don't go all in if you think this is also a promising chart. Maybe go into small tranches, like 1/3 of your investment you want to invest, and then wait maybe for like of the first 1-2 setup, which maybe looks like something like this, and then yeah, maybe you can enter somewhere here when the price is coming back again, and then you can also enter at the next maybe 1-2 setup, probably not that low. And yeah, I think good to go for the long term. And yeah, so that's my idea for Jumia. Let me think what you think. Yeah, this, as I said, could take probably some multiple years. If you look at here, this is so from the bottom to top around about 1 year, and then we corrected like 3 or 4 years, 3 years. And yeah, so probably we are in the nearly in 30s when we reach maybe wave 5. Okay, so hit like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Thank you.